I have a passion for helping others, love working within the community, and also trying to make that difference. The appealing thing of being within Fire Rescue New South Wales is the camaraderie, the mateship, the family that you have away from home. So just believing in each other, trusting in each other, and knowing that we've got each other's backs. So we go to your bushfires, your grass fires, we go to your motor vehicle accidents, we do rescue. But aside from the truck side of things, we also do fire education. We go and speak to senior groups, young children at preschools. So we've got all these different age groups that we can interact with. The fire brigade is amazing in a sense of fitting in with your day-to-day activities and fitting in with your family or people with younger children. To this day, I pinch myself, I'm at awe that I'm actually on the truck, riding, going to calls. It's fantastic. It's a job for life, and here I am.